Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding an interview question, that is top 10 using Rankx. Of course, top 10 you can use the DAX function itself for getting it. But here the question is, how can you get the top 10 using Rankx function? So you can see here the details. So we have the top 10 customers. So we have the customer total sales, and the ranking also is being given here, and then the top 10 using that Rankx function, and exactly 10 numbers you get from the highest to the 10th one. So how you can calculate this? So first we can use the calculate function, of course, to get the total sales, and then from you have to use the filter function because you need to filter it. So from what you are going to get, you need to get it from the customer name. So you need to get it only from the customer name column. So how you can do it? You can use the values function. So if you don't know the values function, I'll give it in the description box. There is a video called values DAX in Power BI, so you can check it. So we will use the values for getting the customer name, and then we will sort out with respect to the ranking. And in the end we will be checking it whether it is less than or equal to 10. So if you don't know the Rankx function, Rankx is like this. Rankx, the table name, the expression. Expression means, okay, here the expression is total sales. Usually if you don't have the total sales measure, you can write it as sum x of or sum of sales count. So usually we will be having a measure, and this measure will be used here. And then the value, you won't give anything. The order you can give it as descending, because from the descending you will be giving, you need from the descending. And ties, of course, you have to give the dense because you don't want to miss any number, miss any ranking. So we will see the example here itself. And here I have taken one table and one card visual, and we'll be using the div customers table. And I have already made a measure for total sales, that is sum x of fact sales into quantity. So we can use it here. Anyway, it has nothing to do with this top 10, this visual. In this visual we are going to use the top 10. So first we will take the customer name. We got the customer name here. Next, of course, we will take the total sales, and now it has been arranged in the customer name ascending order. Now the next thing, okay, we will create a Rankx function, and we will create the ranking of this customer names. So we will create the measure here, and we'll give that measure name as rank equals to, of course, we have the Rankx function. Rankx, the first parameter will be the table name. So you need to take out the filters from the table and you give the customer name. Then we have the expression. Expression is total sales. Total sales we have already the measure, and no need of giving the value. And you need to give the descending order, and then you need to give a test dense. So we will drag that Rankx here. We got the rank of all the customers, and we need to sort out the ranks with respect to ascending order. So you can sort it by a rank, and you can sort it in ascending order. So what we need from the question is, we need to get these first 10 sales, we need to get it. So we will create a measure for that. We can name it as top 10. Top 10 equals to, you can write the calculate function, and you can enter the expression. Expression is from the total sales. So you can give the total sales, and from where you are going to get it. So you need to filter it out, filter, and the table name will be values of this customer. This name you need to, because you are going to filter it from here, this name. So you need to give the customer name, and you need to write down the Rankx value. Now you need to give the Rankx, because you need to filter once again with the Rankx function. So we will give Rankx, and same way you can take away the filters and you can give the name, and then you need to give the total sales here, and you can give the value none, and this descending and dense. And that is not all. You have to, in that filter itself, you need to make sure that, okay, it is less than or equal to 10, because that much is a filter function. Because filter, you need to get the values for this total sales, get the column for this total sales, and with respect to the column you need to filter with the Rankx, and that also less than 10. Those are less than or equal to 10, and that will enter function, and we will connect it to the table here. Yes, we got the answer. We got the first 10 columns. Remaining we are not getting, because we have given the value as 10 here. So exactly we got the top 10 list. So you need to take into consideration this filter function, because in this filter function we are only taking the customer name, and after taking the customer name we are filtering it with the Rankx function, and with respect to the Rankx function we are just taking the first 10 here, and everything with respect to this total sales. So hope this was a meaningful one. Have a nice day.